and say. Complete the sentences with the correct preposition. The jeep is next to the hut. The school is opposite the park. The cow is in front of the hut. The girl is behind the tree. The butterflies are outside the window. Look at the pictures below and complete the blanks with the appropriate word or words from the box. Language focus. Give directions. Use excuse me to get someone's attention. Use commands when giving directions. For example, turn left or right. Go to the left or right. Use prepositions to give locations. For example, opposite, next to, near, etc.
Friend, can you say the words that we use for giving directions? Read dialogues at Activity B and find the words that we can use for giving directions. Did you find these expressions for the directions?
Pair word. Ask and answer about places in your town or neighborhood. Use the expressions in the language focus.